was midnight, August 15, 1947, while it was dark all over the sky. But for us, Indians, we saw the beginning of new dawn. That night, people laughed, cried, cheered, loved, and breathed in their own air. We breathed freedom and gained the right to call India solely as our own motherland.
Hey guys, कल छुट्टी है।
For what?
वो तो मुझे नहीं पता, पर कल पार्टी करेंगे।
अरे दोस्तों, पता है कल हमारे बापू मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी जी का 146वां जन्मोत्सव है।
Not even a century crossed, but we all have become so selfish. What happened, Indians? Today, on 146th birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, our beloved Bapu, the great man with a fireful soul, who walked 390 km for Dandi March and did many other sacrifices so that we can live an independent life. He never asked anything in return, but what we gave him were utter disrespect or forgetting about his importance and contribution. We call ourselves a country of culture, right? But where is our culture when we couldn't even remember the importance of our national heroes?
So guys, let's see what Bangalore has to say about Gandhiji.
Hi.
So you know Gandhiji's full name?
Yeah, it is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Yeah, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on.
October 2nd and it's 1869.
Well, that's absolutely right. Gandhiji was killed by.
Nathoram Godse.
Okay, that's almost right. Gandhiji was killed on which date?
I don't remember, but it's in 1948.
Okay,
I don't remember the date.
that's right. Son's name, do you know?
I don't know the name of the sons, but he had 4 sons.
Okay.
That's
Do you know Gandhiji's wife's name?
his wife name is Kasturba.
Yeah, that's right.
And his mother's name is Puttali Bai.
Too much information, man, too much.
And his father had 3 wives before. I don't know. You know, that's all.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Gandhiji has a very big name. Do you know what it is?
His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Very nice. Gandhiji was born in a very famous state. Do you know which place was he born in?
Gandhinagar.
Gandhinagar. Gandhiji's birthday is very famous. So there was another freedom fighter was born on that day. Do you know who it is?
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, do you know what is the importance of 2nd October?
Gandhi Jayanti,
That's very correct. So, do you know his father's name?
Mr. Gandhi.
Oh, that would be okay. So,
Okay.
do you know his mother's name?
Mother's name, no.
Okay. So, sir, can I ask, do you remember any incidents about him about that time? Any particular instance?
In terms of what?
In terms of what all he did for our country?
Yeah, he was a freedom fighter, father of the nation.
Okay. What
And
else he is
to-
called?
What else is he called? Bapu?
Correct. That's very correct. Okay. So, do you know his place of birth?
Gujarat?
That's
Ahmedabad?
correct. Okay. Ahmedabad. Okay. Do you know his year? Which year
Oh,
he was
sorry,
born?
sorry, Gandhinagar. One of them. No, Gujarat, I would say that.
That's it. He's in a dilemma. Okay.
Ah.
So, do you know his year of birth?
2nd October
Okay, that would be a date. Correct. And year?
19...
19. 19. Okay.
1918? 1919?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, that would be fun. Thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Naveen.
Naveen. What's your name?
Pooja.
Pooja. Well, which class are you in?
I'm in 6th standard.
6th standard. You? You also are in 6th. So both of you classmates?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you like Gandhiji? Do you like Gandhiji? Yeah, okay. What was Gandhiji's full name?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Very good, very good. You knew that? Yeah. What was Gandhi's father's name?
Karamachandra Gandhi.
Very nice. What was Gandhiji's wife's name?
Kasturiba.
Okay. What was Gandhi's birthday?
October 2nd.
October 2nd? Do you know the year? Very good. Anyways, that's fine. Thanks.
So what's the importance of 2nd October according to you?
Gandhi Jayanti?
Okay. So do you know his full name?
Yes.
Okay. What's his full name?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
That's very correct. So do you know his father's name?
No.
No. No. Do you know his mother's name?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me.
Putribai?
Putlibai. Do you know his wife's name?
No.
Do you know your wife's name?
No.
Okay. He doesn't know his wife's name also. That's good. Do you know his when he was born? In which year?
About 146 years ago.
146 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay. To be very precise. That was great.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
So, yeah, in a few days we have a very important event coming up. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti, that's right. Do you know there was another person who was born on the same day?
Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes, there was another person who was born on the same day. No idea?
I have no clue about it.
She has no clue, man. She has no clue. Okay. He was born on October 2nd, right?
Yes.
Do you recall the year? Do you have any idea about the year?
Probably in 1800.
1800 is close. Can you tell me another closer date? 18?
50s.
Quite close, but let us leave it at that. Okay, a question for you. Gandhiji's wife, what's her name?
His name is Kasturba.
Kasturba. Kasturba Gandhi. She was a Gandhi earlier?
No, after the marriage.
I'm kidding, sorry. Thanks.
नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार सर. आपका नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद आरिफ. बहुत बढ़िया नाम है. आपको पता है कि अगले दिन कुछ क्या आ रहा है? अगले दिन? इस हफ्ते क्या चीज़ है? कुछ 2 अक्टूबर. 2 अक्टूबर को क्या होता है? गांधी जी का जन्मदिन. गांधी जी का जन्मदिन. आपको उनके पिता का नाम पता है? ठीक है. उनकी माता जी का नाम पता है? वो भी नहीं पता. अच्छा. वो कहाँ के थे? गुजरात के पोरबंदर नगर. बिल्कुल सही जवाब. उनका पूरा नाम क्या है? मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. अरे बिल्कुल सही. बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Indians, please don't be so ignorant. Just think, if they had become selfish like us that day, then today it might not have been possible to dream an independent life. So, think twice.